For centuries, elephants have roamed the earth as living monuments of strength, memory, and intelligence. They're not just the largest land animals. They're engineers of the wild. From carving out waterholes to reshaping entire forests, elephants play a key role in maintaining the ecosystems around them. There are three main species: the African savanna elephant, the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. While they differ in size and habitat, all share strong social structure, long memories, and deep emotional bonds. Elephants live in tight-knit family groups led by a matriarch, often the oldest and wisest female. These herds work together, communicating through low-frequency sounds that can travel miles. They mourn their dead, help raise each other's young, and remember places and faces for decades. An elephant's trunk is a tool of endless skill, able to lift a tree or pick up a single blade of grass. Their tusks, though beautiful, have made them targets of poaching. Despite conservation efforts, all three species are under threat from habitat loss, human conflict, and illegal ivory trade. But there's hope. Protected reserves, international bans on ivory, and global education efforts are making a difference. To understand elephants is to understand the wild itself, intelligent, emotional, and in need of protection.